If you're a developer looking for a terminal app that promises speed and efficiency, you might have come across Ghostty, but does it really deliver on those promises? Let's dig into what this app has to offer and whether it's worth your time. Ghostty is designed to be a fast terminal app that caters specifically to developers. It aims to provide a seamless experience for executing commands and managing tasks efficiently. Right off the bat, the user interface feels clean and straightforward, which is a B+ for anyone looking to jump right into coding without unnecessary distractions. One thing that stands out is its focus on speed. Ghostty claims to optimize command execution times, which is crucial for developers who rely heavily on terminal commands. However, while the app looks promising, there's limited detailed information available about specific features or integrations with other tools, which might leave some potential users wanting more. The intended audience seems to be both beginners and seasoned developers, but without clearer documentation or community support, it's tough to gauge how well it serves everyone. Overall, the experience feels a bit incomplete, lacking some of the depth that more established terminal apps offer. Now, let's weigh some pros and cons. On the positive side, Ghosty's speed is a major draw. If you're looking for a terminal that executes commands quickly, this could be a solid choice. The user interface is also beginner friendly, which is great for those just starting out. But there are some drawbacks. The lack of comprehensive documentation and community feedback is concerning. It makes you wonder how reliable the app really is in the long run. Additionally, advanced users might find it lacking in features compared to more established options. Pricing details are also unclear, which could be a deal breaker for some. In short, while Ghostty has potential, it may not suit everyone, particularly those who rely on extensive customization or integrations. In conclusion, Ghostty might be worth a try if you prioritize speed and simplicity in a terminal app. However, if you're an advanced user or need robust support and features, you might want to explore other options. Overall, approach with caution and see if it aligns with your specific needs before committing.